Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView paper trading. This powerful feature lets you practice trading without risking any real money. You'll get a virtual balance, typically $100,000, to simulate market conditions. It's an excellent way to test new strategies, understand market dynamics, and build confidence before you ever commit actual capital. Think of it as a safe sandbox for your trading journey. To begin, open any chart on TradingView. Look for the trading panel located at the very bottom of your screen. Within this panel, you'll see a list of available brokers. Simply select Paper Trading by TradingView and then click the Connect button. Your virtual account will instantly activate, usually with a starting balance of $100,000, ready for you to start practicing immediately. Once connected, placing a trade is straightforward. You can use the convenient buy and sell buttons directly on the chart, or utilize the more detailed order panel. Here, you'll specify your order type, such as market or limit, the quantity of shares or contracts, and crucial risk management levels like stop loss and take profit. Remember to monitor your open positions and adjust them as market conditions evolve. After placing some trades, it's vital to review your performance. The trading panel provides comprehensive reports, including your account history, profit and loss statements, and an equity curve. Analyze these statistics to understand what's working and what isn't. Look for patterns in your successful and unsuccessful trades. This consistent review process is key to refining your strategy and becoming a more effective trader over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.